Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we will talk about what is going on with the crypto market. So as always guys, we're gonna start with Bitcoin. And as of right now, I'm in a long-term long position over on Phemex and I opened another swing long position again. If you also want to do this, because we can do it over on Phemex, you can create sub accounts, yeah? So you can have multiple positions, let's say one Bitcoin long, one Bitcoin short, and with my links in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. As right now, a couple of thousands of dollars of bonuses are waiting there for you. Check the links in the description, guys, and so let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, let me make it bigger for you. As you can see here, we are still in this ascending channel, okay? And we got rejected from the upper resistance line, okay? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. And let me show you guys here. So, as you can see here, we have this, we got rejected and we got went down. And we have this support level here, 23.8 and here 24.1K. So this means we have this support zone here. Yeah? It's not just a single level, it's a support area, a zone, okay? And as you can see here, the most traded volume was here 24.5K. That means the most volume. That means in at that price range, the most buyers and sellers met each other and made their transactions. Then we went down here, and as you can see here, in the last couple of days, if you go to this time frame here, the most traded volume was at around 24K, okay? So this means right now we are here in this zone, yeah, where we have support. We have support here. And why did I open a swing long position? As you can see here, the stochastic RSI is really, really low, okay? It's really low. That means usually when it's low, what happens? It goes up again, so, okay? So as always guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to show those opportunities. But as you can see here, okay, the stochastic RSI is really low, so usually it should go up. What did I do? I entered a swing long position in this price range, and if we break it, yeah, I have limit buy orders. That means if you go, for example, to this level, there will be a buy order. Down here at about 23, I have another buy order. So I would build up my long position, this swing long position, if it would go lower. Of course, guys, you can also you can do it over on Phemex, for example, but don't over leverage, because sometimes if you are in a zone like this, as you can see here, there are sometimes liquidation weeks. That means if you're here in an over leveraged long, let's say with the 40x leverage, and this week could wipe you out of the position, guys. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin right now. As you can see here, you can also entertain the idea and open a swing long. It depends on your leverage and on your capital that you have to trade. You could also do the same with limit buy orders going the way down, or if you're not, let's say, willing to take the risk right now, because we are not usually we trade the breakouts out of chart patterns, but right now there is not really a chart pattern, but we are in this support zone here. Okay, that's why I opened this swing long, and let's go over to Ethereum here, guys. Let me show you. Ethereum, there's also, there's not really a chart pattern that we can trade here right now, but as you can see here, we are here. First of all, we have the support level here at about $1,640, plus we have the VPVR shows us this is the price range with the most traded volume. That means the most transactions are going on in this price range. That means we have some kind of support here, yeah? The situation here on the hourly, our stochastic RSI is not as clear as Bitcoin showed us. Let me show you guys, because we are not really overbought and we are not really oversold, so we are somehow in the middle, yeah? So if you would like to open a long here, it would be more risky because the RSI doesn't really show as much, because we are somewhat exactly in the middle and we are here at the support zone, and also the most traded volume is at this price range. So my suggestions would be wait up until we form some kind of chart pattern here, and then you could just trade the breakout. And Bitcoin, we could entertain the idea to open a long. As always, guys, with my links, you will always get the highest available bonuses down in the description. Check them out. And yes, guys, that's it for today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.